Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. And look, you know how it is. I'm just going to record a bunch of videos in one day. And right now it's a cooking video. Yay! Because, I'm getting back in the swing of things. So right here in the pan, I have some sausages. These are bratwurst. Sometimes we'll get the sweet Italian sausage and do the same thing. And I told you if I got the chance, I would show you how I did this. So we are going to take 2 cans, because these are the small ones, of the diced tomatoes. I have green chili. And, this is one of those kind of dried eggs. I have to get one of them dried eggs. And, I'm sure we all do. And then a white onion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this. I'm going to crack all the cans open, chop this up, and then we will be back. Okay, now that I have the onions cut, because you need to get those cut, put in 1 can of your tomatoes, right? Well, you're going to put in both, honestly. Now, I had a bigger can the last time. Now, these are roasted tomatoes. If I need another can, I'll just go in the kitchen. I ain't worried about it. And then put in your onion, like so, the whole plate, because that's a whole plate of chopped up onion. Now I just chop some pieces smaller than others. That aside, your green chilies. I'm not draining these for a reason. I honestly don't think they need it. Over here to the drawer. Have some more of these coming from Amazon in a little bit. That includes the cooking pans that I use. You notice I don't really have a mess to clean up because of that. Anyway. So there's this. You might be like, wait a minute, why are you doing it like that? Well, what I meant to say the last time is that it's like making a Swiss steak. Anybody remember Swiss steak? I remember Swiss steak. We're just going to put that over there on that plate. Now, the reason I say this is like Swiss steak is because what it literally does is the tomatoes and the onion, and I'm going to put some garlic powder in here. Your garlic powder from the Aldi. And then we are going to put some of this lovely product of Italy, balsamic glaze. I'm going to cover this with foil. I'll end up getting more foil tomorrow because I have to go get some mayonnaise. I saw some mayonnaise at the Dollar General that, it was so white, I was thinking, is that actually mayonnaise? Mayonnaise ain't white onion white. You know what I mean? Let me back it a bit here. There we go. Get these out of the way. Always make sure that you get every little bit out that you can out of that can. Now, we are going to not air fry this. I could air fry this, but that'll be at the end of this. So what I will do, because normally I'll air fry the meat. Don't worry about it, you're not on camera. I'm making sure of that. Rob can't really be out in the heat. He was out in the heat, and, not putting too big in that, are you? So, we're going to take this and put it on over here in the air fryer. Now, mind you, I have cleaned on the air fryer, and I know I got a few people that are like, hey, you know, this is what I do. So I do have some stuff to clean it better. So, bring you up here to this. You take this and you put it on that and hit that. And then when this is done, right, when this is done, then we will actually put this on air fry and I'll uncover it. Okay, so here we are after 35 minutes. Now this is the point where I'm just gonna go ahead and check the meat. Oh, look at that. Okay, well this meat is actually almost done. So now this is the point where I will actually put it on air fry. Oh my goodness, this smells fabulous. Because what I want to do is, there is a lot of liquid in there. We want some of that liquid. But we also at the same time want to have it thicken up. So we will take that and just do this. Don't mind that noise in the background. That was just one of Rob's many alarms that goes off for stuff that he has to do. So, like I said, this will go on air fry now for 18 minutes. Also, if you have ever wondered how do I heat water for potatoes, a couple of bottles of water in Amazon basic kettle. And that's how that is. Now I'll just put all the seasonings in the pan with the mashed potato flakes. And as soon as that heats, and add a little butter and, you know, a little pizzazz, and that actually helps to make the potato. Okay, so currently with 10 minutes left, plus on me, I'm going to be like cleaning that up better now that I feel better. So the sausages are cooking a lot better. And now that we are back, just took this out just now before we came back, obviously. So, like I said, when your potatoes, because I remember I put cheese in them last time, when your potatoes are that thick, that they stick really good to the spoon, you know, all thick and everything, just take a nice scoop of that potato on your plate. Make a little crater there, put a little more of the, on there, because this is Rob's plate. There's that cheese pull. And make sure that crater's actually a crater without, you know, the plate being messy. So now you just take 3 sausages, just put the sauce in the middle of the, because isn't that pretty? To me, that's pretty. When you scoop up a sausage, bring it over with that and scoop that over. And so, you know, and it smells good in here. I mean, just like the spices, the smell of this. You know, like you could add corn to this as well. But that right there, my friend, that not only is it healthy, because you've got, even though they keep calling tomatoes a fruit, well, to me it's still a vegetable. And you have onion, which is also a spice or an herb, and you have garlic in there. I did put some softened butter in a potato, so hold on. So this is my plate. Rob's eating his. How is it, Rob?
Good.
So, now here's the thing, and you might laugh at this. The cat smelled it and woke up. He was taking a nap in that box that I put right there because my Amazon just came in. I don't do videos on everything, but I hope you enjoy this video. That right there, y'all, like that flavor. Just like the last time, the flavor's there. It's delicious. You have your starch, which is the potato. You have your fiber. You have your herbs and spices. You have your proteins in this, and riboflavin and a bunch of other things. Now, this is something that you can just make on a whim if you have the supplies. That is some good stuff. So kindly in the comments below, let me know, would you try cooking this, or would you give it a try? Because I want to know. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'm gonna eat this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.